Wouldn't it be better if these guys, these marketers, just came into your business one time, came into your business and just built you all the ads, all the proven winning ads that they have, build it all for you into your ad accounts, right? And then they set you up with a system that can just optimize from there on out. When if you turn them on, it's just going to optimize it for you. Wouldn't that be better? And just allocate more budget towards the ads that are performing well. Wouldn't that be infinitely better than you having to just pay every single month? Because you now have these ads forever, and you now know what good ads look like. So you could just make them yourself going forward. Wouldn't that be better? I definitely think so. That's why we give you that. Okay. You'll never have to hire these guys ever again, because we're not going to launch your ads. They're not going to launch your ads. You are going to launch your ads, and you're going to get the help of us and AI. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you what this looks like, right? Again, we're going to go into your business. We're going to give you all the ads that you're going to need for every single offer that you have. If you do roofing and siding, we'll give you those ads. If you do kitchen and baths, we'll do those ads. If you do basements, if you do hardscaping, if you do any kind of anything, you'll get those ads. You're going to hit this button down here. It says get clients. I'm not sure if you can see this. Get clients, log in. Let's go. You're going to get access to a bunch of different channels. Now, there's more channels than this that we have turned off because, right now I am talking to local service businesses, specifically contractors, but we have LinkedIn and Spotify, and we don't want you trying those because it's just not good return. So we will set all these up for you right on day one. Let's just say you want a Facebook ad. Okay. Let's just try a kitchen today. I did have these a little preset, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. Even if I were to start from scratch, I'm going to generate a new ad. All right. And I'm going to put my website. Now, this is One Stop Kitchens, which is a company out here in Tampa. And it's just one of the best. I like what they're doing. And shout out to One Stop Kitchen. I'm going to use this as an example. What is your business, product, or idea? We are kitchen remodel in Greater Tampa Bay. What's the name of it? One Stop Kitchen. Cool. So 3 fields is all you need. We're going to generate the description. Now, an AI is going to read this, and this. And it's going to spit out a description. One Stop Kitchen is a premier service provider specializing in kitchen remodeling in the Greater Tampa Bay area. We are dedicated to transforming your kitchen into a space that is both functional and stylish, ensuring it becomes the heart of your home. That just came out of these 3 fields. Boom. Now it's going to hand this over to another AI that's going to write the actual content. Okay. Also, you can add your small offer here. Okay. So you hit go and it's going to crawl the website. Okay. So there's a bot that's going to go into your website and just start reading everything, making sure that it's relevant and it knows what it's going to be talking about. And right now it's just writing the ad for you in real time. Okay. And it just went out to find a nice video of a kitchen. So we're seeing it being built in real time right now. Okay. Transform your kitchen with One Stop Kitchen. We're the premier service provider for kitchens and Seymour. So let's wait for this thing to finish. So here we go. We're going to have AI targeting, which means the AI is going to look for your prospects for you. Okay. We're going to have an address, right, which will be your address, and it's going to be whatever targeting you want here, but it's going to be X amount of miles from whatever address that you want to put. So click out of that. And then from here, you can just choose your own videos, or you can choose the ones that were given to you. So if you go in here, I definitely recommend you choose your own videos. You choose this video. You'll choose this video. You can choose this video if you want, and this video. All right. So it's now going to have different variations of the ad, different variations of the primary text, different variations for the headline as well. Learn more, call to action, and give it a lead form that you've already made, or we can just create a new one for you and then just tell it your budget. What do you have? $10 a day? We can do that. Cool. And you are done. You're going to launch the ad yourself. Okay. If that took too long, I don't know if you've ever tried to launch Facebook ads. We have a tutorial on how to run Facebook ads yourself. The video itself took 30 minutes to make, or to get through. Okay. From start to finish, 30 minutes to launch the ad. And of course you're launching it the right way, but this takes less than a minute. Okay. Now, if you don't have a minute, that's completely fine. You can go into your library of ads that we are going to give you. Now, you are not a client yet, so you don't have ads in here, but this library is going to be full of your ads, and all you would have to do is import it and launch it. and that's it. And those are proven winning ads. Okay. Now, what's going to happen after you launch the ads is this. Let's just say you have 5 different ads out there, right? From Google, from Facebook, from TikTok, whatever you just uploaded, it's all out there, right? You turn this button on, and the AI is going to allocate more budget towards the good ads and less towards the ads that are not performing. All right. Again, this is assuming that you have multiple ads out there. All right. This is what you pay media buyers to do. It's to push buttons to just to there's just obvious feedback, and you just need something to push the damn buttons. This is going to do it for you. All right. So on day 4 and 5, it's going to start making decisions. On day 6, it's going to start making actions. All right. Now and it's just going to keep repeating. All right. It's just basically rinse and repeat. Let's just say you had 8 ads out there. It turned 2 ads off. The following week, it's going to do the same exercise for the 6 ads that are left. All right. So yeah, you've completely replaced media buyers and marketing agencies. And again, we don't even want you running ads, but we do understand that there are times and there is a place to run those ads. And if you have the crew, if you can fulfill, why not? Why not? So I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you like that. Thank you so much.